right? And I'm speaking to all, everybody out there, but especially like, us Black men, we have so much pride, right? And we need the humility to know that we need help, whether that's a coach, a mentor, whatever. Just having the humility to know that you need help and to seek that help and not to feel like that makes you weak is something that I think everybody needs to adopt.
That's major. I mean, even as Black women, like we have
y'all
always
strong
had
too. Y'all strong
be
too.
very strong. So you
Yeah.
feel like asking for help or saying, I can't do this, or I'm at my capacity, or, I need help with this, or hiring, a CPA, a financial advisor, like somebody to help you, you feel like you're weak. You feel like, oh, I can't figure it out. Or it just makes you feel like, you're not this whole person who can handle everything that's thrown at them in the world. And the reality is you just don't have enough time, right? And so the time that you do have, you need to focus on staying, like George said, in your zone of genius. Stay there, because that's what's going to help propel you forward, right? It's going to help with your success and it's going to help with your sanity, sis. That's key. We need both of those.